Hello students, how are you all? I hope you must be fine and staying safe. So this is your SST teacher and I'm back with a new video, and this is your video number 4 of chapter 4. And the topic today we'll be discussing on importance of desert. As you can see in the picture also, I have just posted there a Rajasthani lady. So when desert comes in your mind also, the place also strikes over there that Rajasthan, it is that place which is a deserted place. Okay, so yes, we will be discussing about the lifestyle of the desert place, then the festivals they celebrate, what are the animals, different animals, wildlife sanctuaries. So these topics will be comprising in this video. So let's start with our desert life. So you can see here in the picture, here just I have just first you see the picture over here. Here the peoples, Rajasthani people, they are just carrying their loads, and they are carrying their things also, and just transporting themselves to different places. They are going to some particular place. Okay, so these type of people are generally having a nomadic life. Okay, now you must be thinking about what are nomads, nomadic. Okay, first of all, let me tell you what are nomads. Nomads are those people, a group of people who do not stay in one place. Okay, they do not stay in one place for a very long time, but move from one place to another in search of food and land for grazing animals. Okay, so what they are basically used to do, they are group of people, and they are having a particular group, and then they when they have to leave from one particular place, then they just get up and go to some other place. They are not permanent to one particular place, they just move from here to there. Okay, from the here to there, whichever place they go, then they do different sorts of act, then drama, skits, and many different things for the survival of their well-being. Okay, now they also go to different place in the search of food. They are not so highly, you can say, well educated also. They are not so much having good houses to live, so for the sake of that, they just transport themselves from one place to another. Okay, in the search of food, and also they carry themselves animals. You can see here in the picture also, horses are there, then they carry camel also. Okay, so these are the things which they carry with themselves when they are transporting themselves from one place to another. Nomads means a group of people who do not stay in one place for a very long time, but they move from one place to another in search of food and also grazing animals. Okay, so this was your with this thing we were talking about nomads. The topic is nomads. Okay, so now next we will be just talking about the festivals of this particular area, Rajasthan. What are the main festivals they used to celebrate over there? As you know, Rajasthan is a very colorful place, very festive place, and it is also a very good tourist place. You can, if you are going to traveling to Rajasthan, then you should have a guidebook that what are places you want to travel over there. Okay, so yes, here you can see the picture, festivals of Rajasthan. Here you can see people of Rajasthan here, they are so colorful, they have decorated themselves also. Okay, and they are having such a smiley face. Now here you can see the main festivals of Rajasthan. First is your Tej, then Gangor, Dashara. These are your main festivals in Rajasthan. Okay, so here you can see they are celebrating here the festival also in such a colorful manner, in such a happy way. Okay, these are the traditions they follow from long years to years. So these are the main festivals of Rajasthan: Tej, Gangor, and Dashara. Okay, now let's move to what are the animals which are present in this deserted area. Okay, so as you know, yes, as you know, ship of desert, what it is? Camel. As you all know, ship of desert is camel. So you can see in this deserted area, camels are there. You can see camels basically in desert only. In Rajasthan, you can see camels are so famous there. You can see camel ride is also so famous. If you visit to Rajasthan, then please have a camel ride also. It is a very unique experience. Okay, So as you have seen ship of desert camel, now let's move to our next slide. That is your important towns in Indian Great Desert. Okay, now Indian Great Desert, I am talking about Rajasthan only. Now you can see important towns. What are the important towns present in Rajasthan, in deserted place? Okay, so first is your Jaipur. Do you know Jaipur others name? What is the other name of Jaipur? Okay, you must be thinking. You can say Jaipur other name, it is Pink City. Okay, Jaipur's another name is Pink City. That is also a tourist place, very beautiful place. Okay, and that Pink City is also said that some of the houses in some colonies, all the houses are painted in pink color, and it is very beautifully constructed. Okay, so next it comes here is Jaisalmer, then here Jodhpur. Jodhpur also it is having other name, that is Blue City. Okay, Jodhpur is also having its other name, that is Blue City. Now next comes to your Jodhpur, then it is your Udaipur. Udaipur also it is having a particular name, that is City of Lakes. Here very beautiful lakes are present here. As I have said also, Rajasthan is a tourist place, very nice tourist place. You should go to Rajasthan, have a visit, and these all areas also you should go and watch it. In Udaipur different types of lakes are present, very beautiful lakes. Okay, so yes, these were the important cities, towns of Rajasthan. Now we will come to our next part, that is wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, now in Rajasthan also there are present wildlife sanctuaries. There are places, different places where these wildlife sanctuaries, all the different kinds, types of animals are residing there. Wildlife, okay, very unique type of animals which are not being seen everywhere. Okay, these animals are seen only very particular areas. Okay, the places that are Rathamba, Ranthambore, then Bharatpur, Sariska. So these are the places name. Okay, these are the places and your wildlife sanctuaries. These are the places where wildlife sanctuary exists, and over there what are the animals present there? Then tigers are there, then panthers, do you understand? It is a snake. Okay, panthers, then variety of birds, different variety of birds are also present. Okay, some of the birds which you have not seen in Bokaro, then there also that birds are present. So these are different things which are some unique, or you can say speciality of the desert area, which you cannot see in everywhere. Okay, so next, yes, one more thing I just forgot to tell you. This camel, do you know this camel, it is having one speciality. This camel is having one speciality, and that speciality is known as hump. Okay, so yes, this hump, they what basically do, as you must have been thinking, and many people must have saying that in this hump they store water, but that is wrong. They don't store water, they store fat. Fat, okay, they store fat over there, and with the help of that only they survive in that desert area. They don't need much water to survive. They don't need water, they need fat to survive in the desert. Okay, they have hump. Okay, at the top you have seen also, here at the top you can see at the top, it is, that is called hump. Okay, on their backs, which make it possible for them, okay, to go without food and water for a long time. On this, all this hump, they particularly store fat on their hump. Okay, so that they are easily surviving in the deserted area. So yes, these were our the importance of desert and the life of desert. So as we have completed this chapter number 4, so please, I have just forwarded the textual exercises in MGM Campus Care. Please complete it, go through it, go through the videos, and do your assignment very nicely. Okay, And after the completion this, first of all please write new words in your copy and then do the textual exercises. So yes, till then, okay, stay safe, thank you, good day.